back further? Do it. I would. If I were you too, go back further. Yeah. I'd take it back further, sir. Let's go back further. Take them back to 33 and 34. He's approaching the windows now. Oh, yes, go ahead. You scared me to death.
I'm sorry, they moved this twice.
What's he doing?
They're going to have to exit the wing from the wing exit. Keep the window by, stay clear.
That's how we go. All right, we're going out. Hey, here.
Oh, there's somebody on the way. Okay.
Oh, jeez. He's on the winglet. Jeez. Oh! He's down.
He's
Oh,
down.
my God. He's down. Is that yours?
Wow.
He needs to be down. Yeah.
Wow. At least they got medical.
Kind of thought that would happen. What? You kind of thought that would happen.
Really?
You have to go off. Slide
Yeah.
off it.
Yeah. I mean, one way or the
There's
other.
nothing to hang on to,
There's
though.
no way he can climb
No
down.
way.
There's nothing he
I
can
mean,
climb.
that's built for a
He
lot of
couldn't
people to
climb
be
down
on that
then.
wing. That's built for
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Well, he's moving his hand, so that's good.
Well, he was bleeding earlier.